video, I'm going to be unboxing this slime kit which my cousin sister gave me. As you can see, this is the box. It's written slime art on it, and you can create your own slime. So now I'm going to be unboxing this. So here the instruction booklet. Here is a measuring cup. Here are some more small cups. Something is in there. There are four cups like these with 4 lids, and there are glue. There's glue. Here's like 4 cups which I can't open. I don't know why. There's paint which is scented, and there's also like water droppers and like slime activators and popsicle sticks. Okay guys, I got warm water, and here I got the activator out. As you can see, it's like borax, and I have to add about like 2 scoops of this wooden stick like this. I have to be careful while I open it. And oh wait, I just see something. There's a spoon inside here, so I have to add 1 scoop of this powder into this warm water and mix it as fast as I can, and this will become the activator. Oh shit. I have to mix it very fast. Oh, so no. It's not fun if it's not messy. Okay, I hope I've got my activator. Now have to mix it with the wooden spoon. Fail. Very fast. Okay, so guys, now I have to add 10 ml of glue into the beaker or measuring cup. Yup, that is 10 ml. Now I have to add tap water into this, and I have to mix it together. So right now I'll go I'll just go get the tap water, and I'll see you right back. Now I'm going to be adding 20 ml of water. Okay. Now I have to stir this with another wooden stick. So there are options to make the slime. I can make clear glue and like neon and scented. No wait, I can make clear glue and colored glue, which is scented also. So I have to stir this very quickly for like 10 to 40 seconds. 10 to 20 seconds. And now I have to leave this for 10 to 20 minutes. I have to keep this untouched. So, oh wait, last time I said minutes, so I meant seconds. But now I have to keep it untouched for 10 to 20 minutes. I'll see you right back. Okay, so guys, I saw the manual, and now I'm going to be making colored slime, which you can see over here. And here is the colors, and I'm going to choose the colors from here. So the color which I want is green, so I'm going to get a separate stick again. Already got 2. So now I have to take like 1 scoop of this. No, wait. I have to keep untouched and I have to pour it this into this. All of this. And now I have to add the paint, and I can add how much ever I want. Just gonna add few drops of paint. Here now I'm gonna be stirring the solution. Oh, as you can see, I chose green because green is like the basic slime color. Oh. Now let me read the instructions. I have to add 8 ml of this. So I'll be right back. So guys, here I'm gonna be measuring at least 8 ml of activator. So it would be about like, I don't know, because here I have the droplets. I think by this I have to put the thing. So there's 3 ml, 2.5 ml. I don't know. I'm just gonna like put on my own. Oh shit. I'm not too good with this stuff. Oh shit. Now, how much is that? Okay, that's fine. Now, again, go. Shit. As you can see, a lot of drama going on here. Now, yep, again. And hopefully one more. Yep. Now I have to stretch this for 2 to 3 minutes, and whoa, look at this. I think I need more activator. This is cool. Whoa, it's like boogers. I hope this won't be like too gooey. Oh, that smells like the brain blaster thingy, like sour. Like it tastes like, I mean, it smells like sour apple or something. I just need more activator in this, right at the bottom. But this is cool. Whoa. I'm actually going to be shifting this into another cup. I'll just shift it into the beaker. It looks more scientific. Oh, wow. That's cool. Now, here's the thick slime. Ah, that's so satisfying. Hear it. And here, maybe I'm going to be adding more activator. Hope I don't mess it up. And whoa, look at this. Achoo! This is the slime which I have got for you today, and now I'm gonna be converting it into this container. Oops. Oh, it's like farting slime. You know what? I'll just put it whole in my hand. Now, as you can see, let me just clear the setup. This is the slime which I have made right now, and oh, whoa, it can stretch and it smells good. I think I added less paint, that's why it doesn't smell too good. Oh, smells like green apple.